Pay close attention now. What I'm about to tell you can completely change the way you see your life. Maybe you've never really thought about this, but everything you've achieved so far, and everything you still haven't achieved, was not decided only by your physical effort. It was decided mainly by how your mind responds to the commands you give it. And here is a truth that few people have the courage to accept. Either you control your mind, or it controls you. There is no middle ground. Before we continue, if this kind of message makes sense to you, subscribe to the channel now. Here we talk about mindset, discipline, and prosperity, without fantasy and without fake shortcuts. Now think calmly with me. How many times have you promised yourself that you would start a new habit, that you would change something important in your life, and then gave up after just a few days? How many times did you say you would focus, that you would take things seriously, but ended up stuck on your phone, on social media, or simply making excuses? This doesn't happen because you are weak. It doesn't happen because you lack ability. It happens because the human mind works like a wild horse. If you don't learn how to guide it, it will take you wherever it wants. Now imagine something. Stop and really imagine it. What if you had the ability to make your mind obey you? Imagine waking up every day with energy, without having to fight laziness, without that heavy feeling first thing in the morning. Imagine working toward your goals with consistency, with clarity, without that internal battle that exhausts you more than the work itself. Imagine achieving the car or the house you've always wanted, not 10 years from now, but much sooner than you imagine today. Not by luck, not by miracle, but because your mind started leading you every single day to create habits that build real results. Imagine opening your bank account and seeing numbers that once seemed impossible. Imagine living where you always wanted, traveling to places that once felt out of reach, and realizing that everything started with something simple, making your mind work in your favor. If you know someone who constantly complains about life but never changes anything, share this video with that person now. Sometimes, the right message arrives at the exact right moment. This is not fantasy. This is psychology. Napoleon Hill once said, "Whatever the human mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." But here is an important detail. Wanting is not enough. Everyone wants. You need to train your mind. The mind works like a computer. It runs the programs that were installed throughout your life. If the programs are fear, doubt, and laziness, that's what it will execute. But if you start installing new programs, discipline, courage, and prosperity, your entire life begins to change. Science has already shown this. The brain creates pathways based on what you repeat every day. If you always give in to laziness, the brain learns that this is normal. If you always doubt yourself, the brain builds the habit of insecurity. In other words, your mind starts obeying the past, not the future you say you want. And you've seen this in practice. How many times has your own mind seemed to work against you? That voice that says, "Start tomorrow. You're not ready yet. This won't work." That voice is not you. It is the result of years of repeated negative thoughts, criticism, comparisons, and accumulated fears. Every day, millions of people live on autopilot. They wake up the same way. They do everything the same. They grab their phone first thing in the morning. They work on autopilot. They go to sleep exhausted. And when they realize it, another day is gone. Another week is gone. Another year is gone. And the question is simple. Who programmed that autopilot? It wasn't you. It was years of repeated habits. But here is the good news. That autopilot can be reprogrammed. The mind cannot tell the difference between what is true and what is repeated. What you repeat, it accepts as truth. And here is the key to all of this. The power of repetition. Every repeated thought is like a seed planted. At first, it seems like nothing is happening, but over time, the roots begin to grow. Science confirms this. The more you repeat a thought or behavior, the stronger it becomes in the brain until it turns automatic. If this message is making sense to you so far, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. This helps the video reach more people who need to hear this today. Now think about this. If you have always believed that making money is impossible, that prosperity is only for a few, but you start repeating every day that you are capable, that you deserve it, that you can do it, your mind slowly begins to accept this as normal. What once seemed impossible starts to feel achievable, then real. This is not magic, it is training. And now I need you to understand something crucial. Most people don't fail because they lack ability. They fail because they give up too early. They start going to the gym and quit. They start a project and abandon it. They buy books and never finish them. Not because they can't, but because the brain reacts with discomfort when something new begins. When you try to change a habit, the brain sees it as a threat and sends signals of tiredness, laziness, and the urge to quit. Most people think this is a sign to stop, but it's exactly the opposite. That discomfort is a sign that change has begun. Those who win are the ones who keep going, even when it's hard. And the secret is simple: daily consistency. It's not talent, it's not luck, it's not motivation, it's continuing even without desire. Every time you keep a promise you made to yourself, your mind learns something powerful. You don't quit. Over time, quitting stops being an option and becomes something you simply don't do. It becomes your identity. Now think calmly about this. Everything you believe about yourself becomes a silent command that your mind follows. But beliefs are not absolute truths. They are mental habits, and habits can be changed. So say this out loud now, even if it's just to yourself. I control my mind, and my mind leads me to success. If that sentence made sense to you, subscribe to the channel now. Here, we build this mindset every single day. But pay attention. Thought without action changes nothing. It is daily action that turns belief into reality. Small steps, every day, getting up even without motivation, doing what needs to be done, keeping the promises you make to yourself. Each small victory builds a big transformation. When you align mind and action, something begins to change. You start seeing opportunities you didn't see before. The right people appear. Paths open up. It's not luck, it's focus. And here is the final truth. The impossible only exists until the moment you decide to reprogram your mind. After that, it starts to lose its power. You were born to prosper, to win, to leave a legacy. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel now. Because when you change your mind, you change your destiny. So say it with me, out loud. I control my mind, and nothing will stop me.